Hey everybody, this is Jason here again, and today I have an awesome product to just demonstrate for you. This is actually the Great Mats 4-inch thick by 4 foot by 4 foot mat. Great for doing gymnastics, tricking, and we use it here for our tricking and parkour classes. But it's $152, so if you're interested in checking it out, I have an unboxing here. I'm going to take it out of this package, packaged really well. And there we go. It's a 4 foot by 4 foot by 4 inches, $152 plus tax online. Check out the link below to get yours today. Thank you so much. We're gonna test out this new mat we just got. We just did the unboxing and we're gonna check it out. This is our tricking instructor, Coach Tyler. Take it away. What do you think?
Safe.
Awesome. Sounds good. Nice.
Still
Good.
pretty good. Still pretty good. I like that.
Good. Impact resistant. Highly recommend it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.